Alva's family vlog. Huh? What's so funny?
Oh, it's just... it's... Oh.
What is it?
It's... Look!
I don't get it.
It's a mongoose in a jumper. My friend has that exact same jumper. I'm going to put her name on the pic and send it to our group.
I don't think I'd like my name on a picture of a mongoose.
It's only a joke, Alva. I'm just sending it to my friends. It's not like anyone else will see it.
I don't know. It's only a message. Or is it? Wonder what my friends in Gizmo would do. Mo, go, Gizmo! What are these, Mo?
Ooh.
Weird.
Oh, hello, Alva. Hello, Mo. We don't often come this close to troll them, but we're searching for a twig.
A twig?
Not just any twig, a perfect twig for one of my garden projects.
Don't twigs all look a bit the same? I'm not sure they'll find...
A perfect twig.
Huh?
Oh, wow! Oh, you silly Scoopy Gizzlebrain! I'm sorry, but you didn't have to say something mean. Oh.
Oh dear, Oolie Pom feels terrible.
Oh no, I didn't mean it. I wasn't talking about Oolie Pom. I meant I am the silly Scoopy Gizzlebrain for falling on the twig. Me.
Everyone makes mistakes, Oolie Bean, but words can hurt.
What am I gonna do?
How about you apologise? Then maybe Oolie Pom will forget about the whole thing.
Nothing is ever forgotten out here. They come close to troll territory and don't know a sticky oopsie weed when they see one.
A sticky whatsy what?
Oh, boy. Yes!
Oh, a sticky oopsie weed.
You silly Scoopy Gizzlebrain! I'd never say that about Oolie Pom.
I know you didn't mean it.
To me, Oolie Pom is always a silly Scoopy Gizzlebrain. I didn't say that. Did you say silly Scoopy Gizzlebrain?
Was it me? No. It must be
Silly Scoopy Gizzlebrain.
the trolls.
Wasn't us, was it, Glumph? It was the sticky oopsie weed, see?
What's a sticky oopsie weed? Silly Scoopy Gizzlebrain.
Mo, the sticky oopsie weed is copying what Oolie Bean said.
Very much like a parrot.
Skaitha, hand that over right now.
You want it? You got it! Yeah.
Silly Scoopy Gizzlebrain.
Huh? Oh no. Are you okay? Where did it go?
Silly Scoopy Gizzlebrain. Huh?
It seems the sticky oopsie weed is stuck to Oolie Bean's bottom.
What?
That's the thing about sticky oopsie weeds. They stick.
Silly Scoopy Gizzlebrain.
Bottom emergency fixed.
Oh, the other thing about sticky oopsie weeds is that they spread.
Uh-oh, they're spreading.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Silly Scoopy Gizzlebrain. I didn't say that.
Freeze! We have to get rid of the oopsie weeds, but very carefully.
Affirmative, Alva.